In this video, I will explain you how you can step by step create a beautiful landing page without hiring an expensive designer or a developer. You don't need any design skills or development experience to follow this video. So let's get started. So for the purpose of this video, I'm creating a landing page for freelancers where they can manage their finances. So for this, I had asked Claude Code to build a landing page for me, and you can look at it, it's looking really bad. It is completely looking like AI slop. It doesn't look good at all, and the colors, the theme entirely seems way off. We'll try to fix this and create a beautiful landing page instead, which looks more premium than this one. First, we'll go to this website called Dribble, where you can find inspiration for your landing pages. So in our case, I'm looking for a SaaS landing page, so I'll search SaaS landing pages here, and here we find really good landing pages. Okay, this one looks really premium. This looks good. Now we don't have to exactly copy this design. What we can simply do is we can take inspiration from this design. Now what I'll do is I'll go to another tool called Stitch by Google, which is going to help us design this beautiful landing page for us. So all we need to do is we'll copy this image and I'll paste it here. Here, as you can see, we have options for web, we have options for apps. So basis whatever you need, you can select that. I'll check web here. You can select the model as well. I am selecting a Gemini 3 Flash, which is actually pretty good. If you have a design system or a color palette, you can select it. Otherwise, Stitch will create your design palette and typography for you. I'm looking to create a landing page for freelancers which will help them get paid and also manage their finances so that they can get payments easily and see what they have paid to different freelancers. Keep the design similar to what I've shown in the image. Use modern fonts and sleek colors for this design. So I've given the prompt. Now let it run for a few minutes. So I really like this entire canvas that it has created, and I'll show you how we can use it to create our landing page. Before that, in order to build this, you need Claude Code. If you don't know how to set it up, first I would recommend create an account on Claude and just download it for yourself. Then you can also download Claude Code. Once you have created an account on Claude, just run this command on your browser in order to download Claude Code. If you're using their desktop app, you can go to this code section and use Claude Code from here as well. But I would recommend using the browser version for this, which you can download using this command. Now you see the design is ready, and look at how beautiful is this looking. These colors, this entire setup looks so premium. It has created an entire brand palette for us and different assets for home, search, profile, all these, and all of this with the help of just one prompt. By the way, this is the current website, how it's looking right now, and you can clearly see there's a lot of difference in this one. But here you can see there is some issue with the font, so I can just tell it here. In the precision for freelancers, I see the text getting overlapped with the image in between, which is not looking good, and the middle section is something that we can rework on. I also like colors which are slightly different than this, which is white, gray, and all those. Can you create a different version of this entire website with those colors? And also fix the section precision for freelancers, which is currently not looking good. So I've given this prompt, and you can look at the logs here, the logs of what discussions we are having with the agent here. Okay, now you see it has created another version and it's already looking really good. These both are actually looking very premium and very high quality. I would actually say this one still looks better, so I'm gonna go with this one, and whatever these changes are, I'll let Claude Code make these changes. So now we have two options for our landing page. What we can do from here is we can export. So you can select whichever design you want to export and click on the export button. From here, you can export directly to Figma. So you don't need a Figma developer. You can make the changes directly in the Figma from here. But in this case, I'll just copy the code and I'll give it to Claude Code. Another thing that you can do is, which is MCP. Now this is also really cool because you can actually set up a MCP server, and whatever changes that you're making here will directly reflect, if you use the MCP server correctly, you can reflect those changes directly in your code as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Claude Code. Here it's going to give you the API key and the configuration. So all you need to do is copy this configuration, go to this and paste your, now I'll just go to my browser. Now I'll just run Claude Code from here. and I'll give it this command that I just copied. Now as you can see, the Stitch MCP server is set up in my code. So now what I can tell Claude is, using the MCP server we just created, can you create my design in this format? Use the Stitch MCP server in order to create financial architect landing page for me. Use the copy as you have in index.html and create a different version of index.html. Let's call it index2.html. Keep the copy same in both of them, but use the design, formatting and language as we have in the Stitch MCP server. So I've given it the MCP server. Let me also give it the project ID so that it uses the right project ID. So let's say Stitch project ID. Now let it do its magic. Okay, Claude Code has finally built index2.html with the new designs that we wanted. And let's see how it's looking. This is the website it has created, and you see it's already looking so good in comparison to the previous version. Like, this one already feels so premium. The graphs look so good. I mean, if you just compare these two websites head to head, you will see how good of a design Claude Code has done for this, just with the help of a single MCP server that we attached to our code. I feel this website is already looking ready for deployment. But in case you want to make any changes in the copy, or you want to change in the design, whatever it is, you can just discuss this with Claude Code and see if you can build everything out. Now, why this helps is because you have a very good structure in place already. Now you don't have to do back and forth with Claude Code to discuss basic design things. You already have a good starting point. To me, this looks perfect, and now in order to deploy this, I use a website called Vercel, which is a very generous free tier, and you can deploy your website and add your custom domain for free. Try it out and deploy your website. If you found this video helpful, just give it a like and subscribe for more.